Good morning, guys. Yeah, crazy day so far. I just got on the show. My dad's like, yeah, we need to go. We have a call. So we have to go salt and shovel at Starbucks in Lake Geneva because if we look outside, it's snowing. Like, snowing big time. In April, by the way. It's April 15th. Yeah, so church closed. Like, everything's closing. I don't know if I'll have school tomorrow because it's like raining ice. It's freezing. I don't know. But I was
stone cold. You see me standing, but I'm dying on the floor. Stone cold. Maybe if I don't cry, I won't feel anymore. Stone cold, baby.
But just a plain hot dog. With ketchup though?
Yeah.
And ketchup.
We're getting hot dogs now at this place called Claws,
And
I think. When we finish shoveling after
like to
like
get
2 hours, 2.5 hours shoveling.
Corned beef sandwich.
So
also.
much snow. It's still snowing. I don't know. It's really crazy.
Can I get a medium Diet Pepsi?
Yeah. I'll show you my hot dog in a sec. Oh, and I was in the shower, like I said before, and my hair was wet, and now it got wet from the snow, and now I'm just curling. I have like a curl crown. It's a Chicago style. Is that why it has poppy seeds? Poppy seeds. Poppy seeds. Okay.
I'm not good at this, but I can't say I'm innocent, not hardly. But I'm sorry, and all my friends, they know when it's true. I don't know who I am without you. I got it bad, baby, got it bad.
Take this off. Also, while I was shoveling, this Lake Geneva guy, he said it was from Lake Geneva Regional News, came and approached me and taking pictures of me for the newspaper. It's like, your girl's gonna be in the newspaper, Lake Geneva. What's good? Anyways, guys, yeah. I promise you it's April 15th, 2018. I know it looks like December. It's Wisconsin. I don't know what else to say. It's just, it does what it wants. I really don't know. Guys, this is the worst part. Look how low the trampoline is. No, not my trampoline. No. I was so excited, and now it's just nothing but this dumb snow. Wrong way. Well, guys, it's like 4:45. Spent all day shoveling, basically. The snow is not done falling. It's still snowing. So I hope after tonight that's it for our snowstorm in April. But we'll see. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time.
Baby, got it bad. Oh, tell me